What's drinking cough syrup like? Drinking copious amounts of cough syrup is not healthy and can be dangerous. DXM and or codeine are the active ingredients in some over-the-counter drugs. Some cough syrups have codeine and promethazine in them, so taking a lump sum can be dangerous and even lethal. For you to get high off of this stuff, you gotta take a lot of it. The risk is death though. Your central and respiratory system can shut down, causing your heart and lungs to stop functioning. Some side effects can include addiction, nausea, convulsions, stomach bleeding, liver damage, kidney damage, so much more that you don't want to be a part of. Was this video helpful? Comment down below.